Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to bring you an in-depth review of the UNTIOR long handle dust mops. If you're tired of constantly struggling to reach those high up, hard to reach areas in your home, then this is the product for you. With its telescopic design, you can easily adjust the length of the handle to reach up to 130 centimeters, making it perfect for cleaning floors, ceilings, and even under the bed or sofa. The handle is not only removable, but the microfiber areas can also be bent, making it incredibly convenient for you to clean those difficult spots. What I love most about this product is how easy it is to clean. You can simply wash the detachable duster with water, wring it out, and watch the fiber brush naturally fluff up, making it completely reusable. Plus, with its small hole design, it is incredibly durable and flexible, meaning it won't break easily and can be used for years to come. And the best part? The handle comes with a hanging hole design, making it easy to store and air dry after use. It's truly a high-quality, convenient cleaning tool that every household needs. So if you're ready to make your cleaning routine a breeze, I highly recommend checking out the UNTIOR long handle dust mops. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret adding this amazing product to your cleaning arsenal. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.